As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at portable grills, and I've got two options here. The Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Cuisinart Grillster. Want to help me break them down?
Sure thing. Let's see. Right off the bat, the Bighorn is boasting a crazy 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared burner and 19,000 BTUs. That's some serious heat.
Yeah, that's what caught my eye. The Cuisinart only has 8,000 BTUs, so it seems like the Bighorn would sear steaks way better.
Definitely. Think about what you're cooking. If you want that high-end steakhouse sear, the Bighorn is designed for that. The Cuisinart is more of an all-around portable grill.
Okay, that makes sense. What about size and portability?
The Cuisinart is smaller and lighter, only 13 pounds compared to the Bighorn's 30.86 pounds. The Cuisinart is also more compact dimensionally. So for camping or really moving it around a lot, the Cuisinart wins.
Good point. I do want something easy to carry. But the Bighorn has a larger cooking surface area, right?
Correct. The Cuisinart has 146 square inches, while the Bighorn has 143, so it's a wash. But the Bighorn has a 10-tier adjustable rack system, which sounds pretty versatile.
Ooh, that does sound cool. The Cuisinart just mentions a dishwasher-safe grate.
Yeah, convenience is a big selling point for the Cuisinart. It also comes fully assembled, whereas the Bighorn requires some assembly.
And what about price?
The Cuisinart is significantly cheaper, around $110, while the Bighorn is closer to $200.
Okay, so Bighorn is powerful, high heat searing, versatile rack system. Cuisinart is smaller, lighter, easier to clean, and cheaper.
Exactly. Think about what you value most. Do you want that intense heat for steaks, or do you prioritize portability and convenience?
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Cuisinart. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.